Hi guys, welcome to CWH channel. My name is Kristen and I am going to show you guys a purchase I bought earlier this week. Before I go into it, I want to share that if I like this video, this will be my third YouTube video on my channel. So with that being said, I want to make sure that the videos I'm presenting to you guys is relatable. I also want to make sure that the videos I'm presenting to you guys is something that you can actually use in your day-to-day life. You can use it as tips, you can use it as additional information, whatever, you can use it. So I just want to say that before I go into the video. One thing about me, I do not like long intros. I would not give you a long story about who I am, where I'm from. I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to go straight into it. So if I'm little short with the intro, I'm just trying to look out for your best interests. So with that being said, today is December 21st. It's a Saturday. Happy holidays to everyone who's celebrating Christmas. Happy New Year's for those who are celebrating New Year's that's coming up, which is my birthday. I'm a New Year baby. So I just wanted to say that. Let's see. That's pretty much it. I guess I'll do this too in my videos. What I'm wearing, I guess. So this top is from Target. This watch is Michael Kors. I bought it I bought this watch like back in 2012. My earring, I gotta show you. I'll get to the earrings part. I'll get to the earrings part in a minute. Lipstick I'm wearing is a lipstick from Sephora. It's a Sephora brand. The eyeshadows I'm wearing is from my At the Dark Urban Decay palette. I'm probably mispronouncing that, but if you guys want to know more information, just add a comment and I'll make sure I'll give you those details. That's all I can remember thus far. The earrings. So I went to, first of all and foremost, this channel is really going to be a luxury channel. It's going to be a health and fitness channel. I'm going to show some things I'm doing for myself, for my own health. This channel is going to be an inspirational channel. I would love to talk. I would love to make sure that I'm giving you guys information that, like I said earlier, that you can use in your day-to-day life. I also want to make sure that I'm presenting things that is not just so superficial, but real life issues. So with that being said, like I said, this is going to be a luxury channel. So I am a fan of Louis Vuitton. I love Louis Vuitton items. That's the first major luxury brand I bought. And my first piece I bought was my Speedy when I was in college. I'm from Texas, Houston, Texas. I was attending University of Houston, and I bought my Speedy, and I fell in love with the brand. I fell in love with the house. So anything that I have that's luxury, majority of it is Louis Vuitton. With that being said, I saw a video Monday night. Jerusa Couture. I'm sorry, I'm butchering your name, babe. That's her favorite line, babe. She unboxed these items on her channel and she wore them, and I fell in love with them. I was like, oh, I had to get them. OMG, I had to get them. And that's what I did. So what I'm wearing on my ears is and I know I'm behind. I know a lot of people probably already have this out there in the community. I'm a little bit behind, but I am wearing the gold loop earrings from Louis Vuitton. These are super, super cute. I cannot, these are like, I just can't, like, these are fierce. These are like, I just love these. Number one, I love gold. Number two, I love loop earrings. Number three, I love LV. So I had to get these. I literally had to purchase these. These are gorgeous. Like, these are the gorgeous earrings ever. Let me just give you a few. They're not heavy. They look as though they're heavy. They're not. They are gold plated. I did ask the SA when I was in the store, what happens if it's damaged? Can I get a repair or whatnot? She said to me that most likely they'll swap it out for you. So just keep that in your back pocket. Just a FYI, I don't know. Maybe you have a great relationship with your SA. Maybe you have a great relationship with that Louis Vuitton store. you're shopping at, just keep that in your back pocket. But so far, I love them. They're not heavy on my in my ears at all. They're not heavy at all. They're very light. They look and feel heavy, but they're not. I guarantee you, they're not. And they're just I just love them. I mean, this is my Christmas and birthday present. I haven't shopped for anyone in the family except for my stepfather, but I haven't shopped for my aunts and my cousins or nothing. But I've been shopping for myself. This is like the cutest. I just love these earrings. I just love them. I just can't say it enough. They're super, super cute. So the price for these earrings runs $600 and something. With tax it'll be $700. So they are pricey. They are pricey for luxury costume jewelry, and that's what they are. They are costume jewelry. So keep that in mind. I never owned a pair of costume jewelry. So just keep that in mind, but they're super, super cute. If you want more details on these earrings, please let me know. I will be more than happy to show it to you. So let's get into the nature of the video, why I'm filming the video. So I know what I'm about to show you guys is not new to the community, to the luxury brand LV community, but it's new for me because I have seen this piece so many times. I have walked by it. I have asked the SA to let me see it, let me touch it. I put it away. I changed my mind, and I decided to purchase. I decided to buy it. And I'll tell you the reason why. But the reason why I was so hesitant to buy it and the reason why I decided to buy it. But before I go into that, let me just show you the bag. Oh, and this will be my first unboxing. So, yay! Okay, so this is my purchase I got with the earrings. So I bought two things that night. I bought the earrings and I bought this item. This is their Christmas package. For those who may not know, we all know that this is their Christmas package. It's super, super cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. This is the box that it came in, and I don't have the receipt. I was going to show you guys the receipt, but I don't have the receipt. So this is the box of the item, and I have not opened up this item since I got it. So I literally had it. I bought it in the store. I took it home. I placed it on the table. I don't think I opened up this item yet. So this is truly a true unboxing. So as you know, got the ribbon, Louis Vuitton. I don't remove my ribbons from my box. I leave it as is, and I put the box inside the bag. That's how I store my my package. So I'm just gonna. It doesn't have a pull out. Oh, well, I do have to move the ribbon because it have a little a top at the. So not remove the ribbon, but I'm just gonna slide it off. Oh, I did not know that. So this is a true unboxing. So I'll try to keep this in the film so you guys can see it like so. Okay, so now I'm ready to show you guys. So I'm just gonna open it up. Like I said, this is an item that that is already in the luxury brand. Everyone have this piece. If you consider yourself an LV collector, a love of the brand, a love of the house, you have this piece in your possession, or you're planning on having it, or you have it, or you resold it. This is not new, but it's new for me. So I'm going to show you. So here it is. Isn't that cute? It's a small leather good item. Here is my dust bag. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's so exciting. Okay, this is my dust bag. Oh my god, so okay, and then I'm gonna open it up. Oh my I'm like, guys, I'm so goofy right now because I always wanted to do an unboxing, and I just never felt comfortable showing you guys things that I bought. Not because I was afraid of being braggadocious, not because of that, because this is what we love. I feel like if you love something, you show it, you give tips, and you give your suggestions, your recommendation on it. So it wasn't because of that. It was just because of the quality of the film. I just wanted to make sure you guys actually see it. So anyways, so this is my little dust bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it is the PM Cosmetic Pouch. You guys, this is super cute. First of all, I wanted the bigger size, but they ran out. They were out of stock of the big size. But I also felt okay having this size because knowing me, I would put all my makeup in that big bag, makeup bag. And I don't want to do that. Not with this item. And this is going into the reason why I did not want to purchase this item for so long. So this is the purpose of this piece is a cosmetic, it's a cosmetic bag. And you put your makeup in it. And I wear makeup. I'm not ashamed to say it. I wear makeup. I wear eyeliner, I wear eyeshadow, I wear lipstick, I wear makeup. But I also want to create small luxury goods. And I feel like I have a few pieces and I feel like this can go into my collection. And also I do need to be careful on what I'm putting in this bag. So that's the reason why I always felt the need not to purchase it, because I wanted to not be so careful with it. But I feel if you are selective on the items you need for that day or you need for that week, you can place it in this bag and still make sure that's not going to get damaged inside. So this is the PM. It's super cute. Look how cute it is. The width of it, I don't know the measurements. I'm not even going to pretend like I know it. I didn't take measurements. You guys can look at someone else's video to get the measurements. I did not, but just the side of it. It has the diamond leather on each side. Let's see, it has of course the oval zipper, which goes like this. Inside it does have a deep space, and this is a little tag that you always get with your items. But it has a deep space, and then it has a small pocket. Oh, here's the price right here. Oh no, it's not the price. It's just the code or whatever. This piece came from Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Paris. I used to be very huge on my items coming from Paris. When I first started buying Louis Vuitton, you were like, oh, you gotta come from Paris. Oh, it gotta come from Paris. Me personally, I don't care if it comes from Paris. I really don't care. I'm still paying the full amount price anyways. It's not like I'm getting a discount if it comes from Paris, it comes from Canada, it comes from the US. I'm still paying retail price. So me personally, I don't care. But I know a lot of people out there, I know you guys care. So yeah, this one came from made in Paris. Yay. But anyways, this is so cute. I haven't used it yet. Like I said, this is my first time opening it from when I purchased it in the store. It's super cute. It's super small. I feel like I can actually use this as a clutch. I have an Eva clutch. But I feel like I can just use this as like a mini bag if I want to like just downgrade or whatever. If I just want to put my my LV pocket card holder in this, as well as my like any other small items I have. So I just want to show you guys this item. This is super cute. It is one canvas. As you can tell, everyone knows how one canvas look. It's just a continuation of just one big canvas, and I am super happy I got this. I do not have buyer remorse. I think it's a cute size for me. If I want to go and buy another one, I'll probably buy the bigger one this time just so I can have variety. But other than that, I super duper love this pouch. So I just want to showcase it with you guys. I'll probably start making more videos back to back. Honestly, I'll probably upload another video tonight, depending on how I feel. But with that being said, that's all I have. I just wanted to show you guys this unboxing. This is my very first unboxing on my channel, CWH channel. I'm super excited for me to be able to do that, for me to be comfortable to present this to you guys, making sure that the video looks good, the quality of the video looks good. I'm super excited, guys. You have no clue. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, comment if what you want me to show more often. Give me feedback on this video. If you think I spoke too fast, if you wanted me to show the item that placed in a certain angle of the video, feedback is welcome. Nice, constructive feedback. Constructed feedback. Constructed feedback is welcome. I'm just gonna say it like that. But yes, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Like I said earlier, I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed holiday, and you may see another video back to back. Bye.